how to join a moderated study as a participant. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to join a moderated study as a participant. Let's get started. Accessing the recruitment link. Once you're invited to participate, you'll receive a recruitment link. Click the link to get started. This link will ask for your name and email. This is essential so we can send you reminders. Rest assured, your information is safe and will never be shared outside of Userlytics. Completing the screener. After entering your details, you'll be directed to a screener if one is required. If you qualify, you'll move on to the next step to book your session. If you don't qualify, a message will notify you that you didn't meet the study's requirements. If no screener is needed, you'll skip straight to booking your session. Booking your session. Qualified participants will be redirected to a calendar where you can select an available time slot that works for you. Once you've booked your session, you'll land on a page that outlines everything to expect during the study. You'll also receive an email with this information and a link to the session. Preparing for your session. About 10 minutes before your session starts, the link will become active and take you to a pre-test check. This ensures your browser and device can stream your screen, camera, and audio. Remember to speak aloud during the pre-test to confirm your microphone is working. Mac users may need to allow Chrome access to screen recording in their system preferences. Joining the session. Once you pass the pre-test check, you'll be taken to a waiting page with a countdown timer. If the moderator is already in the session, you'll join right away. If the moderator hasn't arrived after 15 minutes, our team will step in to connect you to a backup session. Participating in the study. During the session, you will see and hear the moderator. They may ask you to share your screen, open links, or interact with materials sent through the chat. Moderators can also share their screen if needed, ensuring smooth communication and guidance throughout the study. If you encounter any technical issues during the session, don't worry. Simply use the chat box located in the lower right corner to connect with our support team for assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll successfully join and participate in a moderated study on Userlytics. Thank you for being an essential part of improving user experiences.
Analytics tells you what. Userlytics tells you why.